Hi friends, today in this video we are going to create a restaurant food ordering system for free. In this video we used all the free resources like themes, plugins, everything is free. You don't have to pay anything for any theme or plugin. As you can see, this is the food ordering system for a single restaurant and it is beautifully designed and you can use it very easily. Just you can add the product from this system and you can continue to check out. There is a pickup and delivery option is available and the customer can adjust their timings for the pickup or delivery and they can complete the billing details and they can check out on the WordPress. And the main thing is it is built on the WooCommerce, and so it have lot of functionality and speed, etc. And this is the mobile layout of our website. The customer can use like an Android app and they have a call now to order option is available, so the customer can directly call to our restaurant and they can order the product. And on the mobile layout there is a option for the vegetarian or non-vegetarian option is available, and the customer can adjust the delivery or pickup time and they can check out with the option. And on this mobile layout also the customer have the pickup and delivery option available once they finish the billing details, and they can check out without any problem. In order to do this, first you have to buy a domain and hosting. Domain means the website name. So first go to the hostinger.in and buy a domain. Click on the domain checker and you can add the domain here. Check your domain is available, then click on search. Okay, once your domain is available, just click on add to cart and then you have to buy a hosting. So just select a shared web hosting, or you can choose any other hosting also. Just click on and you can choose the medium plan, which is the premium web hosting or the single web hosting. Premium web hosting is better. As I said, this is the demo tutorial, that's why I choose the single web hosting. And here you can adjust the time length and click on checkout now. Here you can sign up with your Google or Facebook account. Once you finish that, you have to choose a payment method. There is UPI, Paytm, PayPal, etc. is there. Choose a payment method, you can check out. Yes, here you can add your address details, PAN card, etc. And once you finish the checkout, you will see a window like this. Here we have to install the WordPress. Just click on that. This is your control panel and you will get a window like this. Here you can install WordPress. It's easy. Just go to the website and click on auto installer and click on WordPress. Here you can add your username, password, email, website title, etc. Once you finish that, click on install and wait for some time to get installed the WordPress on this domain. Okay, once the WordPress installed, we can see how it works. Just go to your domain and enter into your WordPress dashboard, and you can see this is the default WordPress website you can see on the domain. Now just come to the WordPress dashboard and click on appearance and themes and click on add new. And here you can type Ocean WP. This is the free and best WooCommerce theme. Just install the theme. Okay, once install the theme, just activate the theme. Now we can see if there is any changes. Just refresh your domain. Yes, the theme has been changed. Now just install this plugin, which the theme recommends this plugin, so install that plugin also, Ocean Extra. You can install that Ocean Extra plugin. Okay, once you finish that, we can go to the plugin settings and we can add the WooCommerce and Elementor plugin. So in order to do this, just go to the plugin settings and type WooCommerce and install the WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the best plugin which is used for the e-commerce website. Just install, and now install Elementor plugin. This is the page builder plugin. Actually, for this website we don't need any page builder plugin, but we are just installing it also. Just install the Elementor plugin. And once you finish that, just activate these two plugins. Just go and your install plugin section and select the inactive section, and you can activate these two plugins. Click on apply. Okay, once you finish that, go to the WooCommerce and click on settings. Here you can change your address and your country, state, etc. Here you can set up according to your choice. You can select your state, country, and you can select the selling location. And if it is a specific country, you can add that. You can add the shipping location, and you can set up the shipping locations here. You can enable the taxes. You can set up the currency. All these settings are very easy and you can do it by yourself. Once you finish that, click on save changes. Now go to the product section and see the shop page is on the correct section. All other settings you can do it by yourself, and you can enable the cash on delivery. If you want other payment methods, you can enable that also. We already created a video for that, you can watch it there, for integrating the recipe. So here also you can allow the guest checkout or other account creation, account related issues are you can manage here. You can enable or disable all the settings here. It's easy, it's up to you. Once you finish that, click on save changes. And on the advanced section you can see the cart page, checkout page, my account page, and the privacy policy page. Once you finish that, click on save changes. Okay, now we finished that. Now we can add some products. Just go to the product section on the dashboard, click on add new and type your product or food name here. I'm just adding a demo product. Just type a food name and you can add a description for the product, and here you can set the price for the product, and if you want you can add the sale price, etc. And here you can change the food options and a short description. Just pasting it there. You can add anything you need and set the product image. Once you finish that, go to the product tags and you can add the product tag. Just add a product tag and you can add a category for the product, and if you want you can add other categories also. Once you finish that, click on publish. Like this, add all the products of your restaurant, and we can check the product which we added now. Okay, everything works fine. Now we can install foodstore plugin. This is a free plugin. Just go to the plugin section and type the foodstore and install this plugin, foodstore. Click on install now. And if you will get also a premium plugin also available. If you want you can just buy from there. Once you finish the installation, just activate the plugin. And now skip this step. Here you can set up all the plugin settings. If you want you can enable the catalog mode and all other settings. Now click on the service section. You can set up all the settings here. This is very simple and you can do it by yourself, and all these setups are according to your choice and according to your requirements. You can enable or disable this minimum order amount for the pickup service or delivery service, and by default the delivery service is disabled. You can enable it, and once you finish that, click on save changes. Here on the layout and styling section, here you can enable the number of columns. If you want the sticky categories, show items count, all these setups are according to your requirements. Once you finish that, click on save changes. Now click on the customize section and you can change the primary colors. You can change the colors here. Once you finish that, click on save changes. Now go to the advanced section and leave it is. If you want to sell any other products, you can enable these options also. Now go to the settings section and click on reading, and here set up a home page which is order online. Actually this is a automatically created page for the food store. Just select that page and click on save changes. Now we can visit our website. Just go to your domain and everything works perfect. You can see all our products has published. Now we can edit some layout. Just go to click on edit page section, and we can just remove this slider, etc. we can just disable this sidebar. We can get a full width page. So just click on the page attributes and select the Elementor full width and click on update, and now we can view the page. Now the sidebar is gone and page looks perfect. Now go to the appearance and menus, and we can set up some menus. You can choose the menu here and you can edit. You're just creating a new menu. Just click on the new menu and add a name. Just click on create menu. Here you want to add some product categories, you can add like that, or if you want some pages you can add. Just opening the screen options and click on the product categories and adding some product categories for the menu, and choose some categories and click on add to menu. Like this you can add any pages or any post etc. You can add like this on the menu. Now these three things we can make in a custom section. So just type on the custom link and type hash and type the link text other. Just click on add to menu and just drag and drop this under this settings, and you can set up the location for the menu and click on save menu. Once you finish that, go to your website and you can see the changes here. Just refresh your web page and you can see the changes here. Now go to the customize section. Here you can edit your footer section of your home page or any page you can edit here. Just shift plus click and you can edit the contact info, address details etc. Here you can change here. You can change all the details here. Click on that pen signal. On the pen symbol you can just click on there and you can add or remove any widget here. You can edit the widget. And it is easy. If you want to remove one section you can just remove that. Just remove. And if you want to add a new widget, just type on the widget section and you can choose the menu here. Click on publish. Now you can see the changes here. Now go to the pages section and if you want you can add the new pages. Click on add new, and if you want to create a new page, type the page name and click on publish, or you can click on the edit with Elementor and you can start setting your page with the Elementor page builder. Just choose the layout of the page and just drag and drop the elements you need. If you want image you can just drag and drop an image section and you can add the image. It's super easy and you can do it by yourself. You can add the textures here. If you want to add any shortcode, you can add the shortcode. Once you finish that, click on update. Okay, now we can see how to change the logo for our website. Now this is the default logo. Now we can change on the customize section. Click on the customize, and you can just click on that section. Click to edit this element, and here you can change the logo. You can add a new logo image and make sure it's on the correct size. If you have a original logo, you can add that also. Original logo should be bigger than the default logo size, so just make sure to add a big logo for the original logo. Once you finish that, click on publish, and our logo has been changed. And come to the mobile menu. Here you can add the logo. Here you can add a logo for your mobile phone, and once you set up that, click on publish and just close the window. Okay, once you finish that, we can disable the page footer option. On the footer section, you can see here like this. If you want, you can disable this section just by going the edit page section. Just click on the edit page. Here you can set up all the page related settings. You can set up here. Just scroll down, and here you want on the footer section, you can disable these things here. If you want a custom logo for this page, you can set up that also here. Once you finish that, click on update, and now we can see the page. Now the footer section is disabled. It's gone. Now we can install a call now button. Just go to the plugin settings and click on call now, and install the first plugin and activate it. Once the plugin activated, you can set up on the call now button settings. Just on the button status, just enable that, and you can add your phone number. You can add a button text and click on save changes. Once you finish that, click on the presentation option. Here you can set up the color, position. If you want to add, you can limit the appearance on some special pages, etc. Once you finish that, click on the advanced section. Once you finish setup, you can click on save changes. Now we can add separate pages for each categories. Now to do this, go to the pages section, click on add new. Just add a new page. Just give a category title for the page, and you can add a shortcode here. Just add a block and type a shortcode. Just type a shortcode. This shortcode I will give in the description box below. You can just copy from there, and you can edit. Instead of the starter, lunch, etc., you can add your category here. And if you want search option, etc., you can enable by changing this option and click on publish. Once you finish that, you can view the page like this. You can add all the categories as a page, and you can add it to the menu. And here is a add-on option is available from the plugin developers. If you want, you can buy this additional add-ons and you can purchase from there. Once you finish that, we can test our website. Go to our website dashboard and you can check is everything works fine. You can select the categories and you can select all the categories like this. And select a product. Just click on add to cart and you can change the timings of the pickup and delivery. You can choose the delivery time and click on continue. Here also you can adjust the pickup and delivery time. And add the billing details, and once you finish that, click on the checkout button. Click on the place order. Okay, once the order is completed successfully, you can see a message like this and you will get an email notification. On the admin side, go to the WooCommerce and click on orders. Here you can manage all the orders you are getting. Select a order. You can see the service type, delivery or pickup. You can see here. Choose the order and you can change the status according to the process. Once you finish the status, click on complete and just update the options. Now your order is completed. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.